Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is the first time watching, you are so very welcome. So today we're going to do a total transformation on this face. So stay tuned and kindly subscribe. Share your thoughts on the comment section down below. I'll be reading all of them kama kawaida. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So with no further ado, let us just go straight into the video. Okay guys, so first things first, we are going to draw a brows, and I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil. Okay guys, so to line I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fauna. For the upper side of my brow, I normally use my foundation, and in this case I'm using Maybelline Superstay in the shade Warm Coconut, I believe, yeah. Okay, so to give my eyebrows a little bit of structure, I normally draw these lines using my concealer. Next, before I apply eyeshadow, I normally set, and I'm using my concealer. Shade we're going for is from Morphe, and I normally tap the eyeshadow in, I don't drag. So tap to attain maximum pigmentation. Tap the the eyeshadow in. Don't be dragging it around. To blend our first transitioning shade, I'm going to use the orange from Kara Beauty, and for this kindly use very little force and use circular motions. For the transition to be very smooth, use very little force. To draw a cut crease, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, the same one I've been using all through. If you're a beginner and you find it hard to draw your cut crease curve, try drawing it in patches. Just tap your blending brush in patch by patch. Okay, so for the cut crease, I normally start off with a brighter color at the inner corner, and then I blend the first shade with a different color, and in this case I'm going to use this shade. I don't know what color this is, but it's from Morphe, number 35 there. Okay, so after I normally blend in the edges, and in this case, as you can see, I drew some kind of tail on my cut crease, so I'm avoiding blending that in because I want the structure to remain the same. And then next I am going to draw using a glitter liner just at the edge of my cut crease and where I drew my cut tail. Let me tell you, I struggled with this one. I struggled. But anyway, let's move on to the face. And first things first, I'm going to moisturize with Vaseline. I know many people are against this idea, but it normally works for my skin. Next, I'm going to prime with a Face 24 primer, and I'm going to massage the primer in and then let it set for some time, then apply my foundation. Okay, so for my foundation today, I'm using Maybelline Superstay in Warm Coconut. It's my all-time favorite. Okay, not my all-time favorite because I've not yet tried some high-end products, but as of now, it stands. Okay, so this is for beginners. If you're using a brush to blend in your foundation, tap the brush in. Just keep tapping until it blends in perfectly. Okay, so to highlight today, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, the same one I've been using all through. And today I'm just going to use brush. I'm not using my beauty blender to blend anything in. So as I said earlier, tap it in. When you're blending in anything on your face using a brush or a beauty blender, tap it in. To set the areas I highlighted, I am using Beauty Creations banana powder. Okay, so to contour today, I'm using LA Girl finishing powder in the shade Cocoa. Okay, so for my under eyes, I'm going to start off with the first transition shade I used for my edges. Okay, and then I'm going to use a brighter shade for my around my inner corner, just to give my eyes a little pop. To highlight, I am using Elf in Apricot Glow, my all-time favorite. For my lips, I'm going to start off with Joy Lips in the shade Fauve. And then I'm going to blend that in with a nude from Dose of Color, except it's a Mwitu. So please don't ask me for the shade number, I don't know. And that would be it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this look on the comment section down below. And I'll be seeing you on my next video. So thank you, and till next time, bye.